Okay, well today we are going to make some chicken and green onion pancakes made with our home canned chicken. This is chicken thighs that we canned in June 2019, so almost 2 years old. We're ready to open it and have a taste test and use this. Now to this I have 2 cups of green onions, pancake batter, nice thin pancake batter, just flour, arrowroot, and some chicken broth. Got some jalapenos that are going to go in here and some egg. So I'm going to open my chicken now and see how we do. Pop! Nice crisp pop. We use Tatler lids.
I gotta smell it.
Ooh, looks good.
Smells good. What
So-
seasoning did we use in that batch?
I am going to use about a cup of this for our 2 pancakes. That looks scrumptious.
It
Absolutely.
does. I don't know what it is. We'll have to look at our records and see what we seasoned with.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna put that in a bowl and kind of break it up.
Break it up a little bit. A little more smaller bites. Besides, I can get more in the bowl.
And bring the bowl up here. I want to see when you crush it.
Okay. Oh, crushes, breaks up so nice. Don't need it too small. You still want to know it's chicken. Oh yeah, good. Don't want it real small because
I gotta taste it because
you want a taste test.
I have it.
You have it.
Mmm.
Mmm.
And you?
Mmm. Chicken thighs are the way to go.
It's got beautiful flavor.
Extra good measure.
And it's not dry. Everybody knows by now, I'm pretty certain, that I do not like white meat chicken canned. Lisa calls it ugly chicken. Well, there's a lot more to that name. Okay,
Well,
this is good. I could eat this plain, just, So what are you gonna do?
so now I'm going to dump my green onions into my pancake batter and let them start getting coated. Lost my spoon.
Okay, once they're coated, then what do you do?
Then I'm going to go into a frying pan with a tablespoon of oil. Once I get these out of here, into the pan, I will put the meat in and add the meat and the rest, whatever pancake batter in here is left, to the pan. Oh yeah.
Then I should,
Want these well coated. After that, once these are in the pan, add my jalapenos, drizzle my egg over the top, so it kind of will look like an open-faced omelet. And it'll cook for 6 minutes. Flip it over, it'll cook for 3 more minutes. Get crispy, turn it over 1 more time, finish it on high for the final crisp up.
wow. I gotta tell you, this chicken is good.
Okay, we are here. We're back to putting our green onions in our frying pan. I'm letting it drip a little as I go. Spread these out.
We had done them with almost full-length green onions, and they were impossible to cut. So, we decided to chop them up.
I think this pan could be in need of a few more. now we're adding the meat to the pancake mix batter. Going to stir that around, add it to the green onions.
We have been down in the hobby center today until about an hour and a half ago. No, about an hour ago. Embroidering trivets. And Dagney making a new log cabin quilt design. We'll see what comes of that. You don't have any more batter? Oh yeah. Okay, and then you take the leftover batter and pour it on the omelet, and it will help it stay together.
Little jalapeno bites. Oh, I can hear them sizzling. Okay. Now, egg, and then let it cook.
Whipped, scrambled.
Beaten up scrambled eggs. I'm going to take that. Along with my little baby egg coming up.
What next?
Okay, it's going to cook. I'm going to set that timer for 5 more minutes. It's already been cooking for a couple.
Putting some pepper in, cracked pepper. So today, man, that sesame oil and my homemade teriyaki was to die for. Oh yeah, I almost died.
Okay, we're back. Getting ready to do our first turn. Oh yes.
Oh wow.
Perfection.
Wow. Ooh, ooh. Okay, now she's gonna plate it, I do believe.
Yes, there we have.
Oh my gosh. There is Dagney's omelet. Beautiful looking.